Hiccups got you hopping mad? Ditch the water glass. There's a more lit cure waiting: spicy food. Hold on, spicy food is medicine? Believe it. The secret weapon is capsaicin, the stuff that makes chili peppers, well, spicy. Capsaicin is basically a tiny troll messing with your diaphragm, the muscle that helps you breathe. And guess what? Sometimes that can actually stop your hiccups. It's like a surprise attack on your hiccup reflex. The irritation from the capsaicin interrupts those annoying spasms and poof, hiccups disappear. Now word to the wise, don't go chugging hot sauce if you have the hiccups. Start slow with something mildly spicy. And remember, this isn't a guaranteed cure, but it's a fun science experiment to try. Smash that like button and subscribe for more wild science facts to spice up your life. Just maybe not literally this time.